Hello friends, we were discussing factors affecting the growth of plants. Now in that process we have discussed water is also one essential part which helps to grow plants properly. Today with the help of this Genuino 101 board, we are trying to explain how we can calculate the content of moisture in the soil as well as in air. Right. Now it helps if my moisture content is less than 300 is the value. If it is less than 300, that means water is required. If it is more than 300 to 700, we have water, but that is not sufficient for the growth of plant. But the level of moisture, if it is more than 700, right? So then that level of water is adequate for the growth of plant. So we are using this Genuino 101, and in this Genuino 101 we have included this sensor also, which will help us to get the content of moisture.
So here we can see this is a soil moisture sensor. Along with these we have used 3 LEDs here. One is green, blue and then red. First green indicates that our sensor or this sensor is in air. This blue indicates that it's partial inside this port, but the water, the maximum water that we required is not adequate. The last one is red sensor. It shows the water is adequate. Now we have already programmed and we have already made circuit according to the requirement. Then we'll plug it, and let's start with the first thing. I'm uploading the program. Once it will take certain time to upload. Okay, so here we can see moisture level is 0, then 2. These are the values of moisture. Now since it is less than 300, so we can see here the green color LED is blinking. So it's because the value of moisture lies between 0 and 300. Now second condition, we'll check for the second condition now. We'll place it. Okay. Now again same condition is there. Here again value is in between 0 and 300. That is why the same color is blinking. Yes. Now we can see here values come 647, 648. So it lies between 300 to 700. So when the value in between 300 to 700, this blue LED will get blink. Now let's check for the last one. When we give certain water to the plant. So once we water it, see the value here, it's 1023, and automatically this red LED will get blink. So all these indicates the importance of water in a plant.
Right. So the application of this project is what? With the help of this, we can tell people that how much amount of water we have to use to irrigate our plant, and how much amount of water is required for the growth of plant. That's the application of our project. Thank you.